Welcome to Lesson 3 of the Excel Beginner Series. If you want to practice and follow the lesson, download sample data for free if you have not done so. Link in description. This lesson focuses on selecting, copying and pasting, which are the core actions you will use every day in Excel. By the end of this lesson you will know how to select single cells, entire rows, full columns and continuous blocks of data. You will also learn how to copy and paste values quickly using both the mouse and keyboard shortcuts. Start with the basics of selecting. A single click selects one cell. A click and drag selects a block of cells. If you want to select an entire row, click the row number on the left. If you want to select an entire column, click the column letter at the top. To select a large range, click the first cell, hold Shift and click the last cell. Excel highlights everything in between. This is the fastest way to select a long list without dragging. Now let us look at copying. The simplest way is to press Ctrl+C after selecting your data. Excel shows a moving border around the selection. To paste the data, move to the target cell and press Ctrl+V. If you want to copy only the value without formatting, use the right-click menu and choose Paste Values. This is helpful when you want clean numbers without colors, borders or styles. There is also a quick method called drag copy. Select a cell, then move your mouse to the bottom right corner until you see a small square. Drag it down or across to copy the value. This is useful for repeating labels or numbers. If you want to copy a full row or column, you can use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V the same way. Excel pastes the entire structure exactly as selected. A real-life example is preparing a report for your manager. You may need to copy selected rows of students who scored above a certain level. Select the rows by clicking the row numbers. Press Ctrl+C, paste them into a clean sheet. This gives you a focused report without extra data. Selecting, copying and pasting allow you to reorganize information quickly and accurately. To recap, you learned how to select single cells, full rows, entire columns and large ranges. You learned how to copy and paste values and how to use drag copy for quick repetition. These skills form the foundation of efficient Excel work. This is Lesson 3. There are 50 lessons in this series. Remember to subscribe and follow the channel so that you catch the next lesson immediate when it is ready.